Have you ever felt like sometimes you make your audience feel boring with your speech? Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. And today's video I'm going to tell you that how to make your speech more interesting. As the public speaking student, I have noticed that some presenter or public speaker make their audience boring because they miss up one thing, which is intonation. What is intonation really is? Intonation is the way that you describe your voice, up or down. This intonation is really important as a public speaker or presenter because it could make the audience know more about your feeling or what you mean or what you want to deliver. Let me give you two examples. Number one, without intonations. This coming New Year, I am going to the beach with my family. I am so excited to meet my friend there. The second sentence with intonations. This coming New Year, I am so excited to go to the beach with my family, and I'm so happy to meet my friend there. You see the difference between number one and number two. Number two, I'm sure that you may more understanding about my feeling. I hope that this video is helpful. After watching this video, please do not forget to use intonation in your speech and for your presentation. See you in the next video. Bye bye.